Welcome back to our Canva tutorial series on Canva tips, animation techniques, and creative design tutorials. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a beautiful animated nature scene using Canva's graphics, animations, videos, and sound effects. We'll start by designing a peaceful landscape with a house, a beautiful garden, and a butterfly flying over blooming flowers. Then, we'll transform the weather by adding moving clouds, lightning, and snowfall. Finally, we'll create a winter scene covered in snow and enhance the entire animation with realistic background music and sound effects. So, let's get started. First, we'll create our opening scene. Choose a suitable landscape graphic that includes a house with a beautiful garden. This will serve as the background for our animation. Next, let's bring the scene to life by adding a few animated graphics. We'll place some animated flowers in the garden and then add an animated butterfly flying gracefully over them. Now it's time to animate the butterfly. We'll create a custom animation by defining a flight path that moves the butterfly naturally across the flowers, giving the impression that it's gently fluttering around the garden. To make the garden look richer and more natural, add a few more plants and decorative elements, adjusting their size and position until you're happy with the overall composition. Let's preview the animation and see how our opening scene looks. Now, we'll change the weather. Start by duplicating the landscape slide. Add a cloud graphic above the scene, reduce its transparency slightly, and apply a custom animation so that the cloud slowly moves across the sky and exits the frame. Next, let's create the snowfall effect. Begin by adding Canva's snowfall graphics to the landscape. For an even more realistic result, place a snowfall video over the entire scene and reduce its transparency so it blends naturally with the background. To show snow gradually accumulating on the ground, split the clip into multiple sections and increase the snow coverage in each segment. This creates the illusion of snow building up over time. Now, let's add lightning. Choose a lightning video and position it over the landscape. Adjust its transparency so it blends naturally with the sky. Split and trim the clip as needed, then align each lightning flash with the movement of the clouds for a realistic storm effect. Let's play the animation and watch the weather transform. Once the snowfall ends, we'll create the final winter scene. Replace the original landscape with a snow-covered version where the house, trees, garden, and even the parked car are covered in snow. To make the scene feel more lively, add children playing in the snow along with a snowman. If needed, simply flip the snowman horizontally so that it faces the children naturally. Let's preview the completed winter scene. Finally, we'll make the animation even more immersive by adding background music and sound effects. During the butterfly scene, add gentle birds chirping and synchronize the sound with the butterfly's movements to create a peaceful atmosphere. As the weather changes, introduce the sound of strong winds, followed by heavy rain and thunder. Trim away any silent portions of the audio clips and align the thunder precisely with the lightning flashes to make the storm feel much more realistic. Now let's play the finished animation one last time, this time with all the music and sound effects added.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest videos. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.